Three generations in one moment: a leader, a pioneer, and a child, learning through observation, unaware that big decisions are being made. Elon Musk didn't leave little X with a babysitter or in a classroom. He brought him into the real world, where true learning happens. Instead of watching a teacher, he's watching history. Little X is quietly absorbing leadership, big decisions, and confidence, embedding them deep in his subconscious for the future. The best time to shape a mindset is in childhood. Real learning comes from experience, not just textbooks. Without strict protocols, dress codes, or rigid rules, little X is experiencing life freely, without strict instructions from his dad. One day, he will understand that this freedom fosters creativity, because a restricted mind cannot innovate. Although Elon is one of the richest people, and little X has the wealth to live comfortably, like sleeping on time and playing like any other child, but he is instead experiencing the real world and learning the value of hard work. This is Elon's lesson to little X: work hard and be innovative. Success isn't just about work. Even in a critical meeting, Elon has his son by his side. Work and family can go together. What lessons are we giving the next generation? Mindset begins early. Let's shape it right.